is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
Dangerously cold air gripping the Great Lakes region, and actually this air mass is so intense and so large it's settling all the way down to the Gulf Coast states, where we've got winter storm warnings in effect from Louisiana, Mississippi into portions of Texas. Here in the Great Lakes region, we're looking at reduced visibility. Those snow bands are actually starting to come inland now with that westerly wind shift. Winter weather advisory in effect for our lakeshore counties until 1 o'clock Wednesday morning, inland areas until 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and we're all under a cold weather advisory as well. So this is a long duration winter weather event that is going to extend from now at least through midday Wednesday. Here's a look at live Doppler radar, and as you can see, those snow bands are coming inland. Again, even crossing the US 131 corridor, those north-south roadways, looking at some significant blowing and drifting. This air is so cold, those snowflakes are really fine and powdery, so they really tend to blow around a lot because they just simply don't weigh very much. And as a result of that, and a low pressure center off to our northeast, which is going to pivot in a trough of low pressure today, or at least enough of a lifting mechanism in the atmosphere to really energize several hours of some really decent lake effect snow banding. Temperatures this morning, single digits above to just below zero. These are air temps. So remember, once we get below about 15 degrees, the salt and the melter chemicals are not effective. So most area road commissions are sprinkling down sand instead of salt, or at least a sand salt mixture. You can see the core of the coldest air off to our north. These are air temps this morning, running 15 to 25 below zero in the northern plain states and upper Midwest. Wind chills locally 5 to 15 below zero, and those wind chills regionally are as cold as 52 below zero in Minot, North Dakota. So today, again, several inches of lake effect snow, blowing and drifting snow. Those wind chills today running 10 to 20 below zero, wind chills to 25 below zero tomorrow night into early Wednesday, and then we'll finally start to moderate conditions as we close out the week. But as you can see here, the upper level winds are buckling to our south, the core of the coldest of the air with us Tuesday into Tuesday night, before finally it starts to retreat to the northeast and allow some slightly warmer air to build in. We've got a couple of clipper systems to come through the cold air pocket that will linger, so another couple of inches of snow will be possible later Wednesday night into early Thursday, and again Saturday night into Sunday. So a very active weather pattern continues. 7-day planner shows the coldest of the air, the core of the coldest air with us today, tomorrow into early Wednesday. Start to moderate a little bit late this week and into the weekend, and that 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us to February 2nd, Groundhog Day, finally shows signs of some warmer air building from the northern plain states to the Gulf Coast and southeast, and the really cold air shifting east of us. So at least there is an end in sight, but we just have to be patient.